In the creative sector, having bilingual skills gives you a huge advantage. That ranges from securing funding, and stipulations of funding in the arts in Wales can often include your delivery being bilingual and your promotions being bilingual and showing your commitment to the Welsh language in everything that you produce. Equally, working in the arts in Wales means celebrating and embracing Welsh arts and culture, and the Welsh language is inextricable from Welsh art and culture. And as with other aspects of business, it's about making sure you can effectively engage with your audience, and your audience consists of English speakers, of Welsh speakers, and people who speak many other languages too. And so making sure that the Welsh speaking community are fully catered to is essential in the arts.